everybody, myself Shreya Chogle from Chikkodi. So today my topic is about the circumcircle and the incircle. So let's get started with the circumcircle. So basically what is circumcircle? A circumcircle is a circle which passes through all the three vertices of a triangle. Then it is called as circumcircle. So now let's see how the construction is done. So our first step to construct a circumcircle is we have to construct a triangle ABC. I'll be taking triangle as 6 centimeter. So here I have constructed triangle. I'll name it as A, B and C. Now our second step is to draw a two perpendicular bisectors at any two sides of the triangle. So now let me draw it. So here I have drawn my first perpendicular bisector. Now let me draw the second one. So here I have drawn my two perpendicular bisectors. Now the thing we have to do is, this point is known as the circumcenter. So I'll mark it as O. So taking OB, OA or OC as the radius, we have to draw a circle. So I've taken the radius . So here I get a perfect circumcircle. So this was how the circumcircle is constructed. So now let's move to the incircle. So now what is incircle? Incircle is the circle which is drawn inside the triangle and it must touch all three sides of the triangle. So the center of the incircle is known as incenter. So now let's see how to construct it. So now let's see how to construct the incircle. So first step is we have to construct a triangle ABC. I will be taking this triangle of 8 centimeter each side. So here now I'll just draw the lines and mark them as A, B and C. So here I have constructed triangle and also I have named them as A, B and C. So our next step is we have to bisect any two of its angles. So this time we should not bisect the sides, we have to bisect the angles. So first angle I'll be taking as C and my second angle I'll be taking as B. So now we can make out that there are 2 points, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. By keeping on this point we have to draw an arc. We have to do the same as per the both. here is our first bisector. We have to do same as for the angle B. So I have drawn at the both sides. So we have to draw these bisectors in such a way that these two must intersect and form a point O. So our next step will be, from O we have to draw perpendicular on the BC in such way that the perpendicular meets the BC at one point. So now I have taken the O as the center, and you have to draw perpendicular. So you can see here perpendicular. Now we have to keep on this point and draw an arc at the downwards as the same. So now you can see the arc. Just join this. Our next point is, with O as center and OP as the radius, we have to draw a circle. So now we have to take this point as the P, and then taking this OP as the radius, I'll be drawing a circle. So here I have drawn a circle and it touches the three sides here. So you can see this. So this was the steps to construct a incircle. So I hope that this video may be useful, and hit the like button and subscribe the channel PSM, and please support me. Thank you.